Happy बच्चों। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fan, G for gun, H for hand, I for pot, J for jug, K for king, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for ox, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for song, T for train, U for umbrella,